Okay, so this sheet of paper right here that we have, all of y'all have the same exact questions up here, okay? Everybody has the same questions. So, let's go over this, shall we? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can erase this part. All right. So let's look at number 1. And and make sure you keep your notes notebook out as well, because I'm gonna continue on with some of the notes as I go on. So let's look at number 1, right? Number 1 says 1 plus 2 minus 1. Now, yes. What?
Do we end?
Yeah. You can either write this down as I do it, or we're just doing it together. So, number 1 says 1 plus 2 minus 1. Here's the thing about this, okay? When dealing with order of operations, we have this rule, and this is a very common rule. We call this rule the left to right.
But don't be proud.
We call this the left to right rule. What you got, Mr. Pravatos?
Don't be proud. If there's like a negative, right? Like a subtraction, and then there's a multiplication, we go to the multiplication and then we go to the subtraction. Yes, we do. And I was going to explain this. The left to right rule only deals, you only have this rule whenever you either have addition and subtraction, or multiplication and division. Okay? If you only have addition and subtraction, you must use the left to right rule. If you only have multiplication and division, you use the left to right rule. What does that mean? Let me see, does this see the whole thing? Okay, yes it does. So what does this mean? Well, for example, you might have something like this. You might have 5 minus 3 plus 4 minus 6, right? You go from left to right. 5 minus 3 is 2, plus 4 minus 6. 2 plus 4, 6. Minus 6, 6 minus 6, 0. Okay? That is how the rule works. You go left to right if you only have addition and subtraction, or multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. Example. I need a small chair. This is crazy. Whew! I can't breathe. Okay, so I'm moving around up here. So, for example, for multiplication and division, example with that, you might have 6 divided by 2 times times 8 divided by 4, right? Yes.
6 divided by 2 times 8 divided by 4. Left to right, okay? Left to right. 6 divided by 2, that's 3, times 8 divided by 4. 3 times 8, 24, divided by 4. 24 divided by 4, 6. Okay? That is how the left to right rule works. Always check for it, okay? And that's the easiest, that's the first thing that you can check for before you even do PEMDAS, okay? First thing, hey, do I have any all positives and negatives or all multiplication or division? Yes, I do. So naturally, I'm just gonna add or subtract from left to right. Well, 1 plus 2 is what?
3.
3. Minus 1.
2.
Look on the answers on your back. Back of your sheet of your paper. Boom. Number 1. Your answer is 2. Right? Yeah. It's that simple. Okay? Let me look at 3. Two times 3 times 4. Are we solving left to right? Are we solving left to right?
Yes, because they're all multiplication.
Exactly. We don't have any extra stuff in there. So 2 times 3 is what?
6.
Times 4. 6 times 4 is what?
6 times 4.
Good job. 24. See, I make this easy. I'm not making this hard. I'm expecting all of y'all to get an A in here. And those people who are watching at home, I'm expecting you to get an A in this as well, because clearly I'm not making this hard. That was number 3. Whew, number 5. Okay, before I do number 5, let me do number 7. Number 7. 8 divided by 2 minus 2 minus 1. Now, do we have a left to right rule on this?
Yes.
No, we do?
Kind of, because the division is on the left, so we start from there.
Yeah, in a sense, yes, he is correct. Yes, we do start from the left because division is all the way over here. All right? But this is where the left to right rule doesn't really apply right here, because we have division with we have division with subtraction. So naturally we do PEMDAS, all right? You see any parentheses? No. Any exponents? No. Multiplication?
No.
Division?
No.
Yes. 8 divided by 2 is what? 4. Right? Minus 2 minus 1. Now, what are we left with?
Left to right.
We're left with the left to right, okay? The left to right rule applies now because we only have like either addition, subtraction, or multiplication, division. In this type of situation, we're left with addition, subtraction right here, okay? So 4 minus 2 is what?
2.
Minus 1.
1.
4 minus 1 is what?
1.
There you go, okay? You're done. All right? Let's look at number 5. Everybody cool with this?
Yeah.
Cool. Number 5 states. What does number 5 state? Parentheses. What does number 5 state?
6 divided by 2.
6 divided by 2.
And then a third to this cube root.
Yes, good job. But it's not a cube root. Well, don't worry, we're gonna go over square roots. But this is a cube. Yes. Cube root is the opposite of a cube, okay? Square roots are opposite of squares. So we're gonna get into the roots later on. Don't worry. You're moving too fast, Sloan. So, does the left to right rule apply right here? And yeah,
You do the parentheses.
not really, yeah. So let's just do order of operation. So what is that we do first?
Parentheses.
Parentheses. 6 divided by 2 is what?
3.
3. Get rid of those parentheses real quick.
12.
Exponent is next.
Now, what are exponents?
they basically get the number and the number that's on top, and they multiply by themselves. We have 3 as an example. 3
Mhm.
times 3 by itself 3 times.
Good job. You were about to say that? Were you about to say that, Campos?
Yeah, 3
So-
3 times 3.
Good job. Exponent. For those of you who might not know, an exponent shows how many times a number is multiplied by itself. Okay? An exponent shows how many times a number is multiplied by itself. Example being that of a to the power of 4. That is equal to a times a times a times a. Okay? That is what an exponent does. So when we have something like this, 3 to the power of 3, then that is equal to 3 times 3 times 3. Okay? 3 times 3 is what?
9.
9 times 3 is what?
27.
27.
And that's right.
Okay? Howell, you smiling back there like your mind is blown. Everybody good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool?
Cool.
All right. While I was working, I noticed a couple of y'all were working on these things. Who's already done with this? Of course. All right. So take y'all's time. Take y'all's time, and I will be passing out another one for y'all to just practice with.